Hi there, welcome to Killeen Engineering. In this video I want to show you how to use our gate configuration tool. Each gate on our website has a short summary in our collection listings, but it also has its own information page. You can click to see our full collection or navigate from a short description. In every gate information page you will see a summary of that gate, the starting price, our current fabrication lead time, and a number of tabs with specifications, downloads, and other relevant information. Scroll down the page to see the steps on how to build a gate. So firstly, how do you want your gates to open? Choose swinging or sliding and click Next. Select the measurements closest to your width and height, and remember that we will always take our own final measurements prior to fabrication. If you're choosing timber, you will be asked to choose from larch, aroca or cedar. Or if you're choosing PVC, you'll be asked to choose the colour of the board. The next step is to choose a finish for your steel or frame. If you know a RAL number, you can add it here. Choose Next. All of our gates are galvanised and powder coated. The price is displayed here. More information is available in the pop-up. How do you want your gates to hang? Do you already have pillars? Would you like matching posts? Or request a builder's quote for pillars? Automation options display according to which entrance style was previously selected, so swinging or sliding automation options. Do you want intercoms? Watch Lauren's explainer video and then make your choice. If you want opening controls or additional items, such as safety posts, choose them here. Next up is electrics. Let us know, do you have power, do you need power, or are you not sure? Maintenance. Leave this checked if you're interested in signing up for our annual preventative maintenance plan. Direct debit would be arranged later. At this point, click the button Build Gate to Continue to review a summary of your choices. VAT is included at 13.5%. You can click here for finance repayment options with HUM. Select the button to book a free site survey. To book a site survey, click the date and time of your choice and complete your contact details. Note that no payments are requested at this time. Invoicing is only completed post-site survey and once an order is made. Click Submit Site Survey to send this request, and one of our team will contact you to confirm the appointment. Thank you for choosing Killeen Engineering.